how to buy Montoya por favor token. Now this token came under the symbol of Montoya. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token is created just 2 hours ago. It's very new. Now it increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's mere investment in the safe place. This token trending number 5 right now on Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token, it's under the Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet for that, and now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token on this. So this is our token. Click on it. Now type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be receiving. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Montoya token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.